Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. This just arrived. This is a old Marx 999. Saw it on eBay. It had been on there for a while. Anyway, it was getting ready to expire, so I contacted the guy, made him an offer, offered him $8, and he accepted. So this thing is in fairly poor condition. I bought it just for the motor, of course. But let's see what kind of condition this is actually in. You can never tell by photographs on eBay, that's for sure. Alright, newspaper, that's a nice change. And there's the locomotive. Alright, let me get this out of the way. Let's see how bad this actually is. Alright, a Marx 999, beat to death, as you can see. Wow, it's been dropped, there's no doubt about that. Get the motor back in position. Well, it turns right enough. The thing is just beat to death. Let me pull the camera off the tripod and take a look at this. As you can see, $8 on eBay. Now, it's missing the front truck, it's missing the rear truck. It looks like it had been dropped, and no idea if this is going to run. It is intact, but it looks like it has not been run in years, decades, very likely. So, as always, first thing we're going to do is saturate that pad around the armature bearing with oil. See, I'm pressing down on this to actually make it absorb some oil. Alright, that's oiled. Now this thing is filthy, absolutely filthy. One big drop of oil on the output bearing. Give it a turn. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's put it on the outside rail. Get the oil and the razor blade out of the way. Turn on the power. And let's see what happens. Absolutely nothing. Oh, heard a noise. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Alright, let's check our brushes. Look to be intact. Alright, let's try something quick. Go to the armature, take some WD-40 and put a shot of WD-40 right on that armature, as you see. Give it a twist. Let's see what happens now. Nothing. Not even buzzing. So obviously I'm going to have to pull it apart. Oh, I see. It looks like the contactor is disconnected. Alright, anyway, I just wanted to do an unboxing on this. $8 on eBay. Made the guy an offer. He accepted. As you can see, it's in really poor condition. Now the shell will clean up really quickly. That's not a major concern. Even if the paint is really terrible, you can clean these up in a matter of minutes with an ink marker and some oil. And like I said, this has been dropped. So it looks like the wire for the connector is off, as you can see. Easy enough to fix. So I'll pull the motor out, and like I said, I bought it basically for the motor anyway. So I'll pull the motor out, get it running. I'll do a follow-up video on this. Anyway, I gotta stress, don't overlook the junk. $8 for this. Like I said, I bought it basically just to get the motor out of it. And you'll see these motors on eBay, $20, $25, $30, $35. In this case, $8, single reduction motor, but about 10 minutes of my time, you can get this cleaned up, looking good and running well. So anyway, I'll do a quick follow-up on this. $8 on eBay, and just arrived. I want to see how bad it actually was. A few minutes work, and this is actually going to be a fairly decent locomotive once I get this motor running. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, Thank you for watching.